Imagine a place where the average low temperature in March is a brisk 28 degrees Fahrenheit, and the high teeters around a comfortable 46.9 degrees. That's the Smoky Mountains, a destination that's as unpredictable as it is beautiful. In this part of the world, March is a month of transformation. One day you might find yourself basking in the warmth of the mid-60s, and the next day you could be bundling up against a sudden chill. That's why it's crucial to prepare for every season when packing your suitcase. The key to comfort in the Smoky Mountains is layering. Start with a good base layer to keep warm during those colder days. Think thermal shirts and leggings. Then, add a mid-layer like a fleece or lightweight down jacket. Remember, it's all about versatility. But don't forget the most important piece of all, a rain jacket. March brings a constant cloud cover and rainfall measuring between 4 to 5 inches. While this may sound daunting, it's what gives the Smoky Mountains its distinctive, lush green landscapes. Despite the rainfall, humidity is relatively low, and there's plenty of sunshine to enjoy. With increasing daylight hours, you'll have between 11 to 12 hours of sunlight to explore the breathtaking scenery. And for the adventurous souls, you might get a chance to experience a touch of winter. Higher elevations occasionally see snowfall, although it's typically just a sprinkle in areas like Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge. So why not embrace the unpredictable? The Smoky Mountains in March is an experience like no other. With the right preparation, you can enjoy all the awe-inspiring beauty this region has to offer. Just remember, pack smart, layer up, and don't leave that rain jacket behind.